Hi there, Larry. Today I'm showing you my DIYs that I have made, except my patch pen because I don't think that really counts. Those I have already shown in another video too. So all the stuff I have made so far, and we're gonna start with smaller stuff, of course. So first things first, we have like little hats. I haven't worn it yet, so it still has some hot glue on it and stuff. Little hats. So far I haven't worn it, so it has been collecting dust, but I'll see. 3. Then I have made a lot of bows. I had another one of this, but I don't know where I put it. But I had another one, just like this. It's right there. Gotta do the... what is it? Focus. Okay. Next thing. Well, this one I showed in another video, but West. For Punk West. Next thing I sewed. This is actually a really recent one, but it's like a dress for like JK. This one I DIY'd. Still have to wear it. I mean, I just made it, so I haven't had the chance to even wear it. I'm sorry I'm a bit awkward. My social skills haven't a bit. And also, I'm entering withdrawals because my family doctor, I tried to contact her to get my prescription back because the pharmacy I went to when I got my medications, the pharmacy deleted my 3-month prescription. So yeah, entering withdrawals, but I'll see. Maybe I'll be able to find something in my medicine box that I can like substitute. I don't know. Right now, bad situation. So my social skills, anxiety, mood swings. Sorry, not the point of the video. Yeah. Next thing. Okay, the belt. Ignore the belt. But these shorts, I sewed on some like stockings on it. I don't know if you can really see. And back. Again with the stocking and spikes and everything. Studs. Then this I DIY'd for JK when I didn't have any JK blouses, so I just DIY'd them. Because well, I can sew. So I got this blouse. I can't really show it. Let me try. Okay. It's hard to see what I'm even showing. It's like a blouse with like and then you add a butt on the bow in the middle, and then yeah, it's very cute. Then I DIY'd this button up. I had a white button up and like I don't wear white button ups, but I DIY'd it into something cute. They don't stand how I want them to. This has like all kinds of stuff on it, and in the back it's a big cross. I guess I got lazy by then. Okay, next thing. This one I have shown before. I was wearing it in one video, I think. My bangs are not listening. Nothing is listening today. Well, this one took me hours because I had to sew each like scrap on it for hours and hours. All the scraps and cut the scraps and all the scraps. Oh, it's so much, too many, and it's very thick and it's like big. Like, look how thick it is. It's very thick, extremely thick skirt, but yeah, it's so cute. And of course, we have a hoodie to match with it. It has like a big star in the back. This one is my favorite hoodie ever. My most prized hoodie. Big star in the back. I added some shoelace because I had shoes that got ruined and I just cut out the shoelace and I sewed it on the thing. It was really hard because leather is really hard to sew, and I sewed the zipper on as well. And the front. Front is just stars, smaller stars. It's really cute. Next thing, I DIY'd this small skirt for when I wear yarrow, which I also really like. You can see my makeup today. Yeah, I tried some yarrow makeup today. Yeah, it's really cute. I have matching things with this. In one of my items, you will see what I mean by that. Then, skirt. This one was originally a kid's skirt I bought for €2. And well, my ass is too fat. Me when my ass is too fat. No. Well, I DIY'd it. On the sides, I added white fabric. And now it fits me perfectly. So, problem solved, and it's a cute skirt. I know why kids always have like way more comfier stuff than, well, adults, so sometimes I like to browse there as well and just like DIY it to my measurements later. The skirt, I think I have shown before. The skirt also, I took a long time to sew, mostly because it's really hard to sew fur. So fur is really hard to sew, so it took a long time. And yeah, also got like beads on it. It's really cute. For me, it's like I'm not really good at sewing actually. I know that I show like these crazy things, but I'm actually considering like sewing standards. I'm really bad at sewing, so. But I don't care. I think as long as it looks good to you, it's fine. But by sewing standards, I'm like the worst sewer ever. Did you know that? Yeah. Like for example, over here, stitches like being visible. That's like a big no-no. And for example, I don't know, stitches being visible, big no-no. And that's what all my stuff. I actually dropped out of sewing school because too many rules for me. Well, anyways, next thing, this one I actually finished doing yesterday. And I think I might add more charms to it later, but this is the sweater. Oh, can you see the middle of the bow? Here's the middle of the bow. Oh, come on. Yeah. And it's supposed to be a chocolate mint sweater, like the ice cream flavor. You know, the chocolate mint ice cream? It's supposed to be a sweater like that. And yeah. But I think I might add some chocolate charms. Can we see if there's anything else that's left? Here? No. Okay. So moving on to shoes. Let's start with the most boring part. These shoes, I have worn them to shreds. If you can see, the inside is almost gone. But when I bought them, they were like Vans type shoes, so I had to take what do you call it? I don't remember the name of it in English, but it was Lindo Arditas. Well, editing me, look it up. But I took that and I was like breaking them because they were like, it was really hard to break them. I like, and then I added shoelaces because you couldn't add shoelaces before. It was like a Vans type of shoe. You couldn't even use the shoelaces because it was all sewn together. So now I broke it and added a big shoelace, and it was like a leopard print shoelace, and then I wear these shoes. Worn them to shreds though the whole summer. My go-to shoes. So. Okay, next one. I only took one shoe because it's kind of hard to show two big shoes. But the second one is literally the same shoe. So I bought platform boots, right? And I DIY'd this whole thing with crosses because I thought it was really fun and really cool. There's obviously more DIYs I don't show here, for example, because I probably forgot I did them. That happens to me quite a lot. So, like, I know I used to do a lot of spiked bracelets. I don't remember where they are even now. Probably somewhere in my bedroom. But yeah, that. And well, last thing, the cherry on top. These shoes I made. These shoes I thrifted. These shoes, oh actually it even has a tag on it, for €2.40. And then I added bows, I sewed bows, I added lace, I added charms and everything. And it's for the other looks, and like princessy kind of looks. I also made like matching stuff for it, like the skirt. See, and it's really cute. And the bow is also magic for this. Yeah. So that's my little DIY haul. I know I haven't been posting a lot because, well, my social skills are plummeting, and it's really hard to talk in general. I talk and I just cringe at myself talking because I'm like, oh, I mess up, oh, I'm, what's the word for it? Schlupstup. I'm like stuttering and cannot think of anything. Even though I have stuff I want to say, I just can't talk for some reason. But I had an idea to do the mini haul a few seconds ago, and I was like, oh, that's like perfect video idea to film. And it's a really quick idea too, so at least something, you know, so I don't lose my progress completely, even though I'm already losing it because of my speech difficulties. I was also gonna stream 2 days ago, but I had a problem. When I opened the game to play, it didn't open, and I was like, so I couldn't play the game and I couldn't stream, but I will figure out how to open it, and then it's gonna be fun. But yeah. Sucks. But maybe I had an idea maybe I could just stream on my phone like I usually film for my first stream. But I don't know if that would be really interesting to people. Like, what do? I just like sit in front of a camera. I'm like, hi guys, ask me questions. How you doing? Neat video ideas, I guess, that are like this, more like quick, so I can also not get too overwhelmed with it. Yeah, vacation almost nearing the end, so I hope I can film more videos during that time. I was gonna film in my bedroom, but I finished my makeup, and as soon as I came out from my bathroom, my boyfriend is like, I'm like, come on, how am I supposed to film now? I did all this makeup and yeah, but I took all the stuff, brought it here so I can film and then go sleep. Yay! Oh, actually, I'm dumb. I didn't show this. This is also something I DIYed. This sweater I'm wearing right now. Best part is the hood. It's like 2 big funny ears. So yeah, forgot that. I'm telling you, I make so much stuff and then I forget that I even made it. A lot of people keep asking me, oh, did you like buy this? I'm like, this? No, I made it. When it has like a little cross zipper. So that's the mini haul. I hope you liked it. Press like and subscribe and see ya.